Hello everyone. Today I will take you on a walking tour of a very beautiful place in Arizona. Welcome to Uptown Sedona. This is the heart of the town, tucked right between the iconic Red Rocks, and it's packed with charm, color, and incredible views. Let's go explore. We will be walking along Highway 89A between Forest Road and Art Barn Road. This is basically the gateway into Uptown Sedona. And right away, you'll notice the energy. Locals, tourists, artists, all blending into this beautiful desert vibe. I am filming this in the morning on a weekday. It can get very busy on the weekends. Everywhere you look, you'll see jaw-dropping red rock formations in the distance. It's the kind of place where you want to slow down, take it all in, and maybe stop, take a photo every 30 feet. Uptown is packed with all kinds of shops, and I mean all kinds. You've got crystal shops selling gemstones, jewelry, tumblestones, and more. Art galleries showcasing local and Native American art, from bold desert paintings to symbolic spiritual pieces. There's also handcrafted Southwest jewelry, pottery, and dream catchers made by local artisans. Now, in my opinion, this is a must-do if you're in Sedona. Pink Jeep Tours. These guys have been doing off-road adventures through Sedona's Red Rock Canyons since around the 1960s. Whether you want a gentle scenic ride or a hot racing climb up the rocky terrain, they've got something for every level of adventure. They have open-air Jeep Wranglers built for rugged terrain, and the guides are full of cool facts and local legends. When it's time to eat, you're in luck. Uptown Sedona has the highest concentration of restaurants and cafes in town. And just wait until you see the views from some of the restaurant patios. Amazing red rock views while enjoying a meal. Sounds good to me. Whether you're into Mexican food, boho brunch, fresh juices, or just something hearty after a hike, there's something for everyone here. All around town, you will find beautiful sculptures, wall paintings, fountains, cool displays, and more. There is always something going on in town. Sometimes you'll catch a flute player or a live painter right on the sidewalk. The creativity here is alive and flowing everywhere. If you're looking to soak in the views without a long hike, just walk around the town. There is so many great vantage points with amazing views. You don't have to go far to see the panoramic red rock beauty. And if you're a history buff, the Sedona Heritage Museum is just a short walk away. It gives you a look into Sedona's pioneer past and its surprising movie history. Some of the movies filmed in the area are The Legend of the Lone Ranger, Midnight Run, Broken Arrow, and so much more. If you're into stargazing, Sedona is a dream come true. As an official dark sky community, the city keeps light pollution to a minimum, giving you incredibly clear, vibrant views of the night sky. Combine that with the ironic red rock formations, and it feels like you're stargazing on another planet. And that wraps up our walking tour around Uptown Sedona. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.